Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. Today I will to show you the way how you can customize your own avatar on Instagram application. Open your Instagram right away. The device that I use today is iPhone. Now you just need to swipe your screen into the right side so you will have an access into your Instagram story. You can just pick the picture as the mock here. I'll let you use this one. Please take a look on this top side here. There will be like several options. Just tap into the second options here. Now if you want to customize your avatar, there will be like here some things written avatar, and there's such as the example of the avatar that you probably can get later on. Tap it and there will be an option to create avatar. Just tap that. Now there will be an access to create a skin tone. Just pick the skin tone that represents to your skin tone. And now go click next. And you can just adjusting everything, including the hair. Just make sure that it's just represent to you. And now go click next. Every you done choosing it. Now you have also an access to pick the shapes, what type of shapes that you have for your face here. So I have this type of face. I think it's not me. It could be the best. Now you can also have the width. There will be a narrow, medium, and wide. And I'll go click next. That will be an outfit, so you can also customize the outfit for your avatar. So just pick the outfit that represent you well here. Right after the done, just go click save. And now you already have a new avatar. Tap next and continue. Continue. Yes, finish edit. Now you just need to wait until the process is just finished. And now you just need to pick the expressions that you have. And now you're done. Post it. So that's all. That's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it, and let's meet again into other tutorial.